We just had a 111 call from a girl, and her name is Ruby. She's down in the Kaimanawa Forest Park, somewhere off the desert road. She said she went into the bush yesterday with an adult and a friend. Last night they all went to bed. In the morning, she woke up and she's there by herself. She says, I've been texting and ringing, yelling out, running around, and I can't contact them at all. And I'm feeling really, really sick now. And I've got back into my sleeping bag and you know, my battery's nearly flat on my phone, and it's the end of the message. Okay. That's all we know.
That's all I want to know.
So we've got a girl alone in the bush, and we know where she is.
And so that gives us our arrow in the direction we have to go, and our campsite is 1.2 kilometres away.
We have met up with our MP, proceeding to second MP. Over.